it's Dawn. Welcome back. I just moments ago finished this. You can still see it's a little wet. It's a just a color wheel of the super granulating Glacier by Schmincke. Here's the 5 colors here: the Glacier blue, turquoise, green, brown, and black. And I was thinking while this was drying that I really liked how these two were drying down. The black is really interesting too, surprisingly. The 2 blues are kind of disappointing. I mean, they are granulating, but I don't know. Anyway, I thought I might do another quick little glazing technique, glazing exercise. That's the word I'm looking for. Doing the green and the brown, and just see what we can get with how's it look with multiple glazes over the top, because I think that's always an interesting exercise to do as well. So we're going to go ahead and start. And then in the previous videos I've done, I've had it like in this bottom left corner. This time I'm going to go crazy, walk on the wild side. I'm going to do the top right if I can remember to do that. All right, so I need to really water this down, because I do like it to be a glaze and not and let the pigmentation build up, the color build. So I need to really water this down. This is the green, which looks more like a slate blue. Oh, we're gonna do that. Where's my pipette? Here we go. Just taking some clean water and dropping in that to really give me a good wash. And then I'll do the same thing over here with the brown. Yes, this is an egg dish. I'm decorating for Easter, and I saw another creator go, "Ooh, an egg dish," and I was like, I have several of these. I've got a pink one over here. Yeah, the purple isn't giving you a true color, but this is just playing around. We don't need artistic perfection here. All right, let's see if we can get enough going here. Oh, way too much, Dawn. All right, let's see if we can water this down a little or spread it out. I was afraid of that. I should have tested it before. Silly me, you didn't test. Just like when I was doing the color wheel, I have these areas of red showing up, which is just fascinating to me. All right, now let's do the brown. A little test this time. Where did I put my... Here we go. I've got a test paper here. Still feels super pigmented. That's not too bad. Might want it a little lighter though, just so that the buildup, the glazing layers, you know, are a bit more, I don't know, obvious. All right, well, these are both going to be highly saturated. That's just the way this is going to go. That's okay. Yeah. All right. Love, 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 love. And people are going to hate that. And of course, you can see my brush strokes, which is part of that. But I think by the time we do multiple layers, that's going to probably likely disappear. But we'll see. All right. The first layer is dry. I'm going to pick it up. Really loving like a green color that's coming through, and where I was really like methodical with my brush strokes, you can see that. We'll try to overcome that on our next layer, but boy, it'd be interesting to see how these glaze up. See if we can get a little bit more. Trying to leave less brush strokes in it, and oh wow, I saw the pink just now when I was laying it down. Really interesting color. It's Glacier green. Okay, now let's try the brown. Feels like it's separated. It's a lot of orange over here where it's separated. And I was thinking that too when I was looking at the how it's dried, how it's got this really like burnt sienna warmth to it. Okay. Should have done a bigger berth there, but well, it's okay. Let's see what this one looks like. The pink, the red, the whatever is really coming through. And so is this brown. I just love it. Even as I'm stirring it, I'm seeing some good stuff, man. We love colorful. We love pigments that give us a lot of surprise. I say we. I love pigments that give us some surprise. Okay. Let's see. Liking that. Let's do the brown.
Making a video? Did I just interrupt you?
Yes. And yeah, the brown looks good too. It continues, the layers continue to, I like it. Oh, these self-granulate, or these super granulating rather, make really interesting layers. Let's let this one dry. Okay, next layer. These glazing layers are beautiful. And that's partly why I did this other little sample, so that I could figure out which ones, swatching rather, so I could figure out which ones I wanted to glaze. I may end up doing all of them, but for the moment, I'm just doing these two. Quite nice. All right, I'm not sure how many more layers we're going to get out of this lovely, these lovely granulating mixtures, but here we go. Might get one more after this, but I don't know. It's kind of getting saturated and kind of dark over here, so this might be it. Aren't these yummy glazing layers? Yes, yes they are. Okay, love it, love it. Okay, we're gonna try one more layer here. Might be pointless, and then we'll do a tape pull. Might not look like much, but meh. That's what glazing's for, right? See what kind of glaze you can get, what kind of layering you can get. Almost out of this Glacier green. And I'll let that dry, and then I'll come back and do a tape pull. Hopefully we'll have some crisp lines, and hopefully it's interesting, right? Okay. Back in a bit. All right, time for the tape pull. Let's see what we get. Hopefully our lines are crisp. Oh yeah, that seems crisp to me. I think it bled under here though. I can see some brown on the tape. I'm hoping it just bled. Oh, good. It just bled under the tape, not under the paper so far. Went pretty gloppy and thick on this last layer. It's got a shine to it. I don't normally do that, but it's tearing the paper. playing around. It's just an exercise. I don't care if it's a little paper's a little mussed right there. It's all right. Rather that. Oh Lord. I just went and tore the color. I do care about that. Okay. I can fix that. I can glue that down. I know I could have got my hairdryer out, but didn't want to. Okay, so there we have it. There is the Glacier brown and there's the Glacier green. Okay, liking. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by again. We'll see you again soon. Bye.